So I think they'll pull into the left and let us go past, okay? So when they do, I'll just tell you to go past. Yeah, they are doing it. Yeah, more all in knobs, yes, that's it. So you just go straight down like we did before. Brilliant, well done. Off the accelerator. You want to give this camera guy a wave at him? Wave at him. Give him a wave. There you go, brilliant. That's it. Well done. And then off the accelerator. Please let us go straight past. Brilliant. And then brake, remember what I said here? That's it. Turn in. Straighten up. Straighten up. Brilliant. Now back on the accelerator again. Well done. That's excellent. Off the accelerator. Now watch this. Ready? Think we can go through there? Ready? Only needs a little bit of movement, doesn't it? Yeah? Brilliant. So just nice and easy through here. That's it, great. I've got one lap left. Can you have a chance to wave at them? Too much steering with me. That's it. Now straighten up. Brilliant. Just keep this as it is. That's great. Oh, we've got a van. Off the accelerator, stay out to the outside a little bit first, and then when I say start to turn, okay, start to turn. That's great, straighten up. Now start to accelerate. Off we go. That's great, start to accelerate. And then we're coming in on the slap, so off the accelerator. Through the cones. That's it, and then we're going to pull in between the other cones. That's it, so a little bit of acceleration to go through the cones, and then we'll park next to the black Mustangs. So we're going to turn in here, so off the accelerator. That's it, a little bit of acceleration, a little bit. Perfect, that'll do. Great, well done. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which you prefer, this or the California?